Good morning, students. So today we will continue the same lesson, that is lesson 7, Anil and the little puppy. So with me, take out page number 32. Children, the last thing we have seen in the lesson was whether father will take the wounded puppy to the doctor or not. Now come to the story. Lesson 9, Anil and the little puppy, page 32. Anil's father says that he will surely take the puppy to the doctor. Next day, both Anil and his father went to the doctor. When they reached the doctor, Anil asked his father why they have come to the new doctor, not to their old doctor where they all go. Then Anil's father tells him that animals are treated by different doctors and they are called veterinarian, whose short form is vet. After that, they go inside the clinic of a doctor and doctor examine the puppy, see the puppy, and was happy to know how Anil saved the little puppy. Doctor told Anil that some people have thrown stones at him. That is why he is injured, the dog, the puppy. Then doctor applies ointment on his wounds and gave medicine. He said the puppy will be fine in a day or two. Anil came back home with his father. Now children, the next part of it we will continue tomorrow. So now all of you come to the exercise part of this. So children, this is the worksheet of moral science, and these two are the exercises that you have to do in your moral science notebook. Now come to exercise A. Tick the right option. 1. Anil's father said veterinarian is a dash word for you. Anil's father said that this word is what? Difficult or easy for Anil to pronounce. Okay. A is difficult, B is easy. So this word was difficult for Anil to pronounce and the option is A, difficult. You will going to tick option A. Now come to second. I will surely dash the puppy to the doctor. Option A, take. Option B, not take. I will surely take the puppy. So your answer is option A, take. Now come to B. Complete the boxes below. 1. Dash applied ointment on his wounds. On whose wounds? Puppy's wound. Who applies ointment? The lotion, or it is the doctor. So you will write DOCTOR. You have to complete the boxes below, the missing letters in it. OCOR. Now second, short form of veterinarian. Okay, it is vet, VET. So these were the two exercises that you have to do. Now children, tomorrow again we will be meeting. Okay, so till then, take care. Goodbye.